friends, welcome to Beginning Piano with Miss Diana. I'll be your teacher and guide. If you're interested in the music that we're using for today's class, you can find that below as well. Let's get started. All right, so let's work through the first part of the song. Like I said, it just simply changes between two different broken chords. So it's going to go A, E, A, then E, G sharp, B, back to A, E, A. Okay, so let's do that together. Ready? Play. So A, E, A. Notice you don't have to stretch your hand. Now 5 to E, G sharp, B, back to A, E, A. Good. Then it rests and you do it again. A, E, A. Now E, G sharp, B, back to A, E, and A. All right, go ahead, pause, play that through a couple times, and then come on back. So let's go ahead and do that part next. Now you have C, G, C, and then B, G, B, and A, E, A, and then E, E. Let's do that one more time. C, G, C, B, G, B, A, E, A, and then E and E. And that's it. Go ahead, play that through a couple of times and come on back. Okay, one more part we're going to go over. I'm just going to play it so that you can see it, and then we'll play it like that. This is the middle section that actually happens at the bottom of the first page, okay? But I'm going to show it to you so you can copy me. So it's E, 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 right, left, and then you would go into this next part. So let's try it together. So your left hand plays E, E, and it crosses over to E. Right hand plays that same E, E, left hand copies it, E, E, and then the right hand one more time, E, E. So try that through a couple times and then we'll finish out our class together. Now, at the very end of the song, you do repeat the exact same thing as the beginning. So I just want you to now take the time, process it through. And then come on back next week with both parts. So if you feel confident with that, make sure you know your right hand, and then we'll be able to start putting it together next class. Hey, my friend, amazing job this week. I can't wait to put it together with you next class. So be sure to process through the left hand and the right hand separately so you know them really, really well and you're ready to put it together next time. You got this.